Hi guys, Funky here at Scale Street Garage. This is a build with a difference. As you'll see, there's a time-lapse 3D print on the print bed there. Do you know what it is yet? This is printed by Spike in Kent. And of course it's the iconic A-tem van. Well, as you'll see guys, this is an unusual print. This is a one-piece print, absolutely fantastic. It just folds up and clips together, and this is done by fab365.net. I suggest guys pop along and have a look. It's got some wicked designs on there, absolutely wicked designs. I'll just say no way am I actually sponsored by him whatsoever. This is just a video. This a van as I wanted to do. Spike actually printed it out and brought it down for me, and I'm going to be finishing it off and spraying it up like the A-tem van. As you see, it all literally just slides together. It's on super duper little hinges. Even the doors, even the sliding door opens on the side. I was absolutely amazed at that. Just put your finger inside there just to fasten the catch on the bottom. You've got to be very, very gentle, guys. This is only one layer thick for the hinges, so obviously as you're bending it, you can't bend it backwards and forwards, or else it's just going to snap on you. Initially, you don't actually need any glue. It clips together, which is absolutely fantastic. But where I put it on and off a couple of times, these bits here, they're not fitting properly, because I did actually put it together, take it apart for the video. Very carefully, must I add. But obviously when I do actually finish this, I'm actually going to glue it together as well, so it's not going to come apart. But it's absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love this thing. I've just seen tonight of another particular model that he's brought out, and that one looks smashing as well. So like I said, this isn't the full build, guys. This one is literally just to let you know that this one's coming up. I know that a lot of the lads that are following me are on the diecast scene, and they're not fully 3D printer happy. But this isn't diecast. This one is Scale Street Garage. This is a scale that's not the 1/64th scale or the usual Matchbox and Dinky scale, Hot Wheels, but it is a scale. I love it when a plan comes together. I'm looking forward to doing this one. This one's going to be done shortly, guys. As I said there, pop along and give Fab365.net a look in. Go and have a look to see what they've got on there. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant designs to print out. Very, very clever chap he is. If you want to follow me on social media, guys, I'm on Instagram and also on Twitter. Scale Street Garage, all one word, at Instagram, and at Scale Street 1 on Twitter. As you know, follow me on here, subscribe, please share my videos as well. Cheers guys, thanks for watching, bye.